Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Kavout. In order to do so, here we are at Kavout.com, and according to their homepage, Kavout is for watch listing your assets in real time, for finding the live top movers instantly, picking the best stocks with AI, and spotting your next winning trade. But what does Cider AI have to say about Kavout? Let's go ahead and check in with Cider. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI chat models at any given time. And according to Cider, Kavout is an AI-driven investment platform that combines machine learning with traditional financial analysis to help investors make smarter decisions. It's known for its K-score, which ranks stocks based on predictive and analytics and offers a variety of tools, including portfolio analytics, stock screening, and insights driven by AI. The pros include advanced AI algorithms for stock ranking. It has a user-friendly interface, customizable screening tools, and is good for quantitative and active investors. The cons, it might be complex for beginners. Some features require paid plans, and accuracy depends on data quality. Overall, Kavout is well regarded among quantitative traders and serious investors looking for data-driven insights, but it may have a learning curve for newcomers. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.